All right. Good morning and happy Monday, everyone. I am the simple STL trader. Today is Monday, July 1st. It's currently 7:26 a.m. I'll actually start getting I'll get a trade in at about 7:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. I am taking a look at the NASDAQ in Q, and I'm trading off of the 10 Renko. Let's see, the ATM that I am using is over here. So as you can see, it's a 10 tick take profit, 20 tick stop loss. I'm currently in the eval account through Apex that you can see here. And I'm also copying accounts over to two different ways. Let's see, my goal for today is the same goal as always, which is a $200 price point or a full on 20 ticks. Let's see, my strategy is 20, I'm sorry, above the 20 EMA and then below the 20 EMA for shorts. So above 20 is longs and then below 20 is shorts. Okay. Again, it is only 7:27. I typically try to wait until 7:30 to get my first trade in. As far as news is concerned, there's actually no news that we have to worry about right now. According to Forex Factory, the first bit of news that may actually have an impact is at 8:45, the final manufacturing PMI. I plan to be done before 8:45, but hey, we all know how the market works, so just in case. And then yes, there is some big news at 9 a.m. That's the ISM manufacturing PMI. So if I am trading until this point, I probably won't be trading like at the open at 8:30 a.m. And I probably won't trade again until after 9:15 a.m. But again, I look to be done before that. Right. So I'm gonna just give it another few more minutes and then I will look for my first trade. All right. It is 7:30 and I'm going to look to take this long if it does go above. If the candle closed down below, then obviously I won't be taking a long. Right. The trade took. Let's see what happens. All right. Had my first order fill within the first minute. And I can also see my progress right here. I was right at 7:30. All right, so now I'm just going to sit back and look for my next opportunity. Now, as a general rule of thumb, probably don't want to trade directly into the 20 EMA. The only reason why I took it is because it was at 7:30 a.m., so I did expect some type of push. But if you're looking to adopt this strategy, I would not say to trade directly into the 20 EMA. Right now, it looks like it's starting to chop up a little bit, so there's no potential trade opportunity right now. For those of you who's wondering, what are these lines here? These are actually backdoor indicators. These are provided by the Ultimate Scalper. It is a product that he has known as the Ultimate Backdoor. You can go to his website at uh, with the Ultimate Scalper AI.com, or you can just go to Google and just look up Ultimate Scalper. I've actually been utilizing his product and testing with it for a few months now. So I enjoy it. Uh, just keep in mind, any indicator that you use, you need to have the same risk management as you would if you were to draw things out by hand. But so far, I like it. I already know the entries I'm looking for. It just these kind of just spell it out for me. As you can see, I would not be taking that long, mainly because it is below the 20 EMA. Keep in mind that just because I don't take certain trades does not mean they will not work. And also, when I take certain trades, that does not mean that they will work. If you take a look at my last video, I did take a trade. It was a great setup. I looked at it to bounce off the 20 EMA, but it didn't. It just continued going long, so I lost out on that trade. Thankfully, I was able to make that back. But this is an example where it's another long, but it's below the shorts. So no. Also keep in mind, things are very choppy right now. As you can see, it's just up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Okay. For scalp trading, that's not necessarily a bad thing, uh, mainly because I'm looking for small movements within this chop. If it's trending, it'll be a whole lot easier because I can just trade within the trend. But in this case, I'm just looking for a direction to take place. I am looking for a slight reversal, but a continuation in whatever direction it's supposed to be going. So, for example, right now, price looks like it came down and it looks like it's coming up. So, if price continues to stay somewhat below this line, I will be looking for shorts. But right now, there's no definite of what's going to happen. All right, so here's a potential short right here. Now, if price continues to go up and then build another short entry, I wouldn't take it because at that point it'll be above the 20 EMA. But right now it's in bounce range where it can come up. It's in the 20 EMA where it can just simply bounce and come right back down. And this is actually not trading directly into the 20 EMA. It's actually just going to go right past it. Again, if it does go short, if the candle closes above, then I'll be getting out of short positions entirely. And it looks like that's what I'm probably going to be doing. Yep. So I'm not going to be taking any short positions here. Take a look at that. That one did work, but I did not want to risk it bouncing off of that 20 EMA, especially since we're in such a, good chop right now. All right. I do see a good potential opportunity here. Again, it's not going to be longs, but it would be shorts. So if price can close right up here at this EMA line, I'm pretty much going to continue with what I'm seeing, which is, they're playing around with the downtrend here. Again, it's still early on. It's still chopped. There's not that much volume movement going on, so I can't say anything for certain. But because it is coming down, if price can come up for a retest and then come back down, then we'll be golden. For those of you who are looking at the chart and you're looking at all my previous levels here, and it's like, oh, well, that went for 10, for 10, for 10, for 10, for 10, for 10, all these go for 10. Why don't I just take every entry? The reason why is that I logged in around 7:15-ish. And with this indicator in particular, that if you log in, any false entry that took place before, they will disappear. So there may have well been false entries here, but we're not going to see them because I logged in after the fact. You can kind of see right here. So you notice that price did come up and it tested this level, but it continued down. So this would have been a false entry where if I were to have taken that, it would have took me out. It would have gave me a loss. So yeah, it is creating a downtrend now. So I need price to come up to fight back a little bit before continuing back down. So yeah, this example right here is why obviously I do not take every single entry. Now, obviously, this is below the 20 EMA, so I wouldn't take it either. However, even if this was above, it could still be a false entry. Just always keep those in mind. See a good downtrend here building. It's a good thing. All right. So it's fighting back. So if that candle can close, going long again, then I can look for a short. So I need this candle to go in the opposite direction just one more time. All right, doesn't look like we want to go ahead and continue going down. The reason why I didn't want to take that is because it could just go ahead and create chop. Need a definite pullback before going back in. Looking for price to fight back. Looks like price is starting to fight back. All right, price starting to fight back. Need that candle to close as well, and then we can start looking for a short entry. All right. All right, so now we're looking for a shorts. We're shorten this downtrend. Looks like longs want to fight back a bit more. Yep. All right, we're in the trade. Let's see what happens. It was a good fight. It was. I'm gonna try to go shorts again from here. It was a good fight. Just did not come out on top that time. All right. I wouldn't take this one because it's going to go right into the EMA. Nope. Mm-mm. Okay. A potential long here. Now, this is trading directly into the EMA, so I am keeping that in mind. But if it comes down a bit longer, shorter, and then it goes up, then I would not look for longs in that case. All right, so that one was an entry. Know what that was. All right, that one filled. Cool. I'm not taking this short. Price, I am looking for price to come back and for me to go in that direction. All right, potential long opportunity forming. Okay, here we go. It's above the 20. It's definitely going in a long trend. So let's see if it keeps it up. Okay, the order is submitted. All right, good. We're doing well. Back up at 100. Let's see where the next trade is going to take us. It is now 8 o'clock. We've been in this for about a half hour or so. I am in profit. I am looking for about one more trade so I can get back to 200. Uh, Commission has ate up a little bit here, so a total of $25 worth. Another trade will bring me about 160-ish, so I'm just keeping that in mind as well. But this is the market. This is exactly what I expect. So yeah, if you're still here with me so far, and obviously you hear a whole lot of dry noise, I apologize. But yeah, sometimes it's just actually most of the time it's just waiting for that perfect setup. But here, I will reiterate, the importance of taking trades within the trend. So as you can see, one, two, three trades, short trades. None of them worked, but that's because this is clearly in the long position. There was only one long signal and it worked because it's above the trend. As we saw earlier, that is not always the case. But even if we were to look down here, one, two, three longs didn't work because it's below the 20 EMA. This one, obviously, that's the one I took. It didn't work. If you really want to go like into the 20 EMA, I would not suggest that, but you could, and that worked out. This one worked out. So there are other ones. This one here too, this could be a sign that it'll start going in the proper direction, but not necessarily. So just gotta sit back and wait. Gotta sit back and wait. I am looking for one more good trade. We're in a strong uptrend right now. We are currently playing with the previous higher high. If you're the type of person that likes to trade off of higher highs and higher lows, you could look at this as a potential short opportunity. Again, it's above the 20 EMA, but price is going to reverse at some point, and this could definitely be it. So that's something else you can look at and play around with too. Me, I'm just going to stick with my rules, which is longs above, shorts below. In an ideal trading market, you want there to be a bit more volume than this. I do have things to do at my daytime job, so this is why I'm trading now. I do see a potential opportunity. If this candle closes bearish, then I could see a potential long. It looks like it's fighting against that, so that may not be the case. But yeah, if this candle closes bearish, then I have a potential long opportunity. All right, long opportunity. Right, this is the last time I'll go for a potential long. Okay. All right, I'm in the trade. All right, that one got me too. All right, I'm going to go ahead and I will mute the rest of this. If you would like to continue watching on, you definitely can. I am going to, at this point, trade until I at least get back to $100 in profit. For those wondering what happened to that last order, it took a while for it to fill. And when it did fill, the move was already made. So I went ahead and just closed the order to be safe. However, the move would have still worked anyway. But yeah, it is much better to be safe than sorry. All right, so I'm going to divert from the plans on this one. So what I'm doing now is I am turning off the uh the replicanto, and I'm only going to trade just one account. That's the one I'm going to save my other eval this point. And then for my 2401, I am going to trade that one. And I'm just going to jump it up a bit. Kind of have to at this point. This is one of my smaller evals. So let's just see where this one goes. All right. I am done for the day. Yep, today was a rough morning. I did divert from my plans a little bit. However, even though I am near my goal, because of commissions, I'm still at my gross realized profit. And as you can see, I only profited $7.54 today. But I am going to stop here. There's going to be news at 8:45, and there's another news at 9 o'clock. So, hey, I broke even. This was a very, very choppy morning, but I left off broke even. I will take that. If you sat here with me for the past hour, I thank you. Seeing how this is real trading. This is real trading where losses happen, profits happen, and you need to know when to walk away and then try again next time. Okay. So as you can see, these are my accounts, and then these are all of the orders placed. All of the orders placed. It's a lot of them today. But luckily there's nothing that's still open, so I'm good on that end. But yeah, but that is everything. Thank you for joining me in this very rocky morning. But don't worry, tomorrow we are looking for a much better morning. I am the simple STL trader, where my goal is to make trading as simple as possible, even during markets just like this. I wish everyone infinite success, and I'll see you on the next trading day.